And it's going to be a hot and sticky one out there today, David. Similar to yesterday, that wind's going to be blowing. Might cool you off a little bit, but you still got to be aware of those heat indices.
Yeah, especially if you're going to be spending a lot of time outside, that heat can kind of sneak up on you. The south breeze does help a little bit, but when we're talking heat index readings over 100 degrees, you do got to pay attention to it. A little bit of light beginning to glint off the buildings downtown as the sun is coming up. Temperatures, though, very, very warm and humid here already this morning, as we're expecting another round of intense heat today, and it will continue on Monday. That's why we are still weather impact here today. That heat index about 100 to 106, not quite as hot as yesterday, but still plenty hot and steamy here this afternoon. Storm chances, though, do enter the forecast by tomorrow evening, and it looks like we have several rounds of rain possible throughout the week ahead. So by the time we get to the upcoming weekend, we could be talking some substantial rainfall here across parts of the state, something we'll have to watch carefully, as we have had some decent rain around here over the past couple of weeks. So that could lead to some localized flooding issues. Something we'll have to watch for on top of the hot weather. Still have that heat advisory in place over central and eastern Iowa. The heat index today, once again, about 100 to maybe 108. I think it'll be a little bit lower than yesterday. Western Iowa, that's where the hottest weather once again will be today, with highs in the mid to upper 90s. That heat index potentially getting closer to 110 in a few spots. Hardly any clouds out there here this morning to give us shade, and it looks like we're going to see plenty of sunshine throughout the day as high pressure to the south remains in control. Any storms remain on the edge of that high pressure, but there will be a cold front that starts to drop south through the Dakotas today, and that will work its way our direction tomorrow. That's what will bring us that chance for some thunderstorms. Right now, 78 degrees, but it still feels like 80 at this hour. The south wind 13 miles an hour. You can expect that south wind to gust around 40 miles an hour later this morning into the afternoon. So it's going to be another breezy day. Temperatures generally in the mid to upper 70s here this morning. A few spots still around 80 in Spencer and Sioux City. The rest of us between about 75 and 78 degrees right now. So that is about 2-3 degrees cooler than yesterday, but the humidity makes it feel like 80, feels like 80 in Fort Dodge as well. There's that south wind, 5 to 15 miles an hour right now. We gotten a little break from the gustier winds, but once the sun is up, those gusts will resume. By 10 o'clock, seeing gusts around 35 miles an hour, and could see a couple of gusts around 40 miles an hour here later today. So temperatures already warm. By 10 o'clock, 86, 90 at noon, 95 this afternoon. That heat index about 104 or so here in the metro. So it will be another really hot one coming in well above the average of about 84 degrees. Of course, with the humidity, here's the heat index. Feels like 97 at noon, 101 at 2 o'clock. That heat index topping out about 103, 104 degrees here this afternoon. Want to show you the forecast into Monday as well. We still have some hot weather around. Starts off warm and muggy. The heat index into the 90s and triple digits. But you notice northwest Iowa, not quite as hot. That's that cold front beginning to push on in. So it does look like as we get into the afternoon hours, showers, a couple of thunderstorms in northwest Iowa. And then by 5 to 6 o'clock, some of those storms getting closer to the metro, and that will finally bring the intense heat to an end. We're still talking 80s, though, for the rest of the week as we see those on and off storm chances. Tuesday, scattered storms. Looks like they shift off to the north on Wednesday and could come back down closer to Des Moines again on Thursday.